Hello guys, welcome. In this video let's see how to get the fabled Masamune Katana in Once Human in the easiest way. Before getting into the video, I am on journey to reach 5,000 subs at the earliest, so it will help me bring you more tutorials like this, so don't forget to subscribe to the channel. To obtain the legendary Masamune Katana in the game Once Human, follow these steps. First step, to complete the main story quest line up to the point where you unlock the Forgotten Ruins dungeon. This will require you to reach level 50 and defeat the final boss of the main campaign. Next, once you have access to the Forgotten Ruins, proceed to the deepest level of the dungeon. You will encounter a powerful enemy known as the Masamune Guardian, who wields the coveted Masamune Katana. Next, defeat the Masamune Guardian in combat. This is a challenging fight, so make sure your character is well equipped with high-level gear and abilities. The Guardian has a variety of powerful attacks, including a devastating sword slash that can one-shot most players. Next, if you successfully defeat the Masamune Guardian, it will drop the Masamune Katana as a rare loot item. The katana is a powerful two-handed sword with high damage output and unique abilities. Next, pick up the Masamune Katana from the Guardian's corpse. You can then equip it in your character's main hand slot to take advantage of its powerful stats and abilities. Next, keep in mind that the Masamune Katana is a highly sought-after item, and obtaining it is not an easy task. You may need to attempt the Masamune Guardian fight multiple times to secure the drop, as the katana has a low drop rate. That's it for the video, and thanks for watching till the end. Do consider liking the video and subscribing to our channel.